Welcome back to this week's Toolbox Talk. This week we're talking about PPE, personal protective equipment. PPE isn't optional. It's part of the job. Let's go over what you need to be wearing. First, gloves. Not just any gloves. For concrete work, you need cut-resistant, task-appropriate gloves. They should protect against cuts from rebar wire and sharp formwork. They need to add grip on wet, slurry-covered tools and buckets. Make sure they fit snugly so you can safely and effectively handle different equipment. If they're slippery, swap them. Next, hard hats. Wear them anytime you're on site. Concrete jobs have moving equipment, tools, and overhead hazards. A hard hat protects you from falling objects and unexpected impacts. Make sure it fits properly, snug, secure, and worn the right way. No cracks, no broken suspension. If it's damaged, replace it. Eye protection. Concrete dust, slurry, and chips are always in the air. Safety glasses protect your eyes from irritation and injury. Wear them at all times, not just when you're pouring concrete. Make sure your glasses fit properly and stay in place. Clear vision is critical on a concrete job site. Boots. Proper work boots are required. Wet concrete is heavy, slippery and caustic. Boots should be slip-resistant and in good condition. Waterproof and steel-toe boots offer added protection. Your feet carry you through the day, so protect them. So before work starts, do a PPE check. Gloves on, hard hat secure, eyes protected, slip-resistant boots, and hearing covered when needed. PPE isn't about slowing the job down. It's about working smart and going home safe. Take the extra seconds. Wear your PPE, stay safe, stay smart, and see you guys next time.